Today I'm going to change the horn in this 2020 Toyota Corolla. The horn is under this plate that you'll see here within the hood. Pretty easy to take off. I use a little itty bitty screwdriver. You've got the mini screwdrivers, but you also have the little mini screwdrivers, which oftentimes you use for your glasses or even some computer equipment. That's what I've used them for. But you just, all you gotta do is pop the little lip into the edge of the clip and pop it up. That'll make it pop up. You can take that right off. You can do that. There's 7 of these bolts throughout. So you do the same thing. They all come up pretty easily. Okay, so I've got all the bolts off, as you can see. Took them all out. Now this pops straight up. There's nothing if, ands, or buts about it. Set it aside. And then the horn, you'll see, is right in here. Pretty easy to get to. You've got two bolts that hold it in, so it's pretty simple. Nothing complicated about it. There's a clip on the side here that you push in this little guy here, and you should be able to just slide that out. Sometimes it's a little complicated. It slides right out. That's what it looks like there. It's connected. It's kind of short, so keep that in mind as you're moving forward. The only bolt you need to untighten is this top one here. This one just connects it to the mount, and then this connects the mount to the chassis. So all you gotta do is unhook that one. It's a number 12 bolt. So once you get that bolt, this mount comes up, and as you see, this bolt holds it to the frame, and then you've got an additional bolt that holds it to it. So this is pretty much it. This is your connection here, and so it's pretty easy to remove. This is the replacement horns I bought. Comes with a low frequency horn and kind of a mid frequency horn, and it comes with 2 ground wires. That's all it comes with. So what I did is I bought this kit on Amazon. It comes with the horn wiring adapter and some wires. So I created a harness, spliced into the adapter, and then spliced 2 wires so that I've got 2 wires. So basically, this will connect to the horns, one on each horn, and then this will be the ground wire that will connect from this to the bolt, which will ground it into the chassis. So that's all you need. The Corolla has 2 areas where you can mount it. You've got 2 holes in it, one here and one here. So this is where the original horn was mounted. There's a secondary hole here that I'm going to try to mount the secondary horn to, so that we've got 2 horns side by side. There's plenty of room to be able to work here, so it makes it okay. And then the mount, once I attach the harness that I built to the adapter, and I've got plenty of room here as well to wire these. So set that aside for now. So I connected the ground wires under this nut here, under this bolt here. Loosen this bolt, just lifted this piece up a little bit, enough to squeeze these through. Those are connected. It doesn't matter which one of the terminals you connect it to. One just has to be ground, one has to be power. So basically, I connected the 2 ground wires, used the harness as I showed you earlier, connected that to the other terminal, and we're good. So the bolt, fortunately the mount bolt gave me an extra bolt here, or the mount from the original horn gave me an extra bolt to use. So I was able to put the bolt here. This one was a little tight in here. I actually needed to use a wrench and not my socket wrench to get this in. But nonetheless, it fits. plenty of space in there, and it's all wired. So I'll let you hear what it sounds like. All I got to do now is put this piece back. It pops right back on top like this. You put the little pieces back in. The trick is you need to make sure that they're pulled out. If you don't pull them out, you're going to break them. So you pull them out like this, stick them in the hole, and then push it back down. And that clicks it, that connects it to the body. So you just got to do that with all the rest, and then you're done. Hopefully that helped you out.